Hello, welcome to Salam Encyclopedia. Here we have a trick to memorize what? To memorize adjective order. We have to only memorize a single word, that is SASCOMP. What? SASCOMP. SASHCOM. What is SASCOMP? SASCOMP is a order of adjectives. In which order we have to use adjective. Let's take a full form. S for size, A for age, SH for shape, C for color, O for origin, or M for material. Means if we memorize a single word SASCOMP, we can correctly use a complete order of adjective. If you think my video is useful, please comment and subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye bye.